Mandhyana time. So the sunrise has just happened here at Madurai. So now I'll be doing my second part of the video. The first one was about that train journey. Now I would like to check out the town section and the temple section area. This is the Madurai Junction railway station, the platform number 1. So the renovation work is still taking place at Madurai Junction. Yeah, last time vanagala ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಲೆ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು. So the work has still not completed. I think it's gonna get completed by next 1 year, I guess. And I hope that the weather will be nice. And Kotagiri plan maltonditte. Kotagiri is one of the hill station which comes in Nilgiri district. But the thing is that that place is getting rain, so I decided to come to Madurai and to the onward journey to Tiruchirappalli. Inkoncha next Tiruchirappalli porekla undu. So first I will be covering up the Madurai city. Now Madurai is the third largest city in the state of Tamil Nadu after Chennai and Coimbatore, which has a population of around 1.5 to 2 million. And it's the major city in southern Tamil Nadu. It used to be the second largest city after Chennai, but now Coimbatore has taken over, so it's the second prominent city. Madurai comes down to third position. Fourth is Tiruchirappalli. Autos with yellow color. We have to cross the road. We have to go to the left side towards the temple. Anchi side poregondu namagetta. Kode bus avaidalando. You can see the roads being wet. Shops matana open avadu because it's 6:30 am in the morning. It's almost 7 am. You can see the people who are making breakfast. Dosa bakka vada avandundo. You will see a lot of these street vendors here in Tamil Nadu who sell these breakfast items like a dosa, idli and all. Now the Meenakshi Amman Temple is around 10 to 15 minutes of walk from that railway station. You can take an auto or a cab, or you can just walk through the streets. So this is the tall gopuram, the east gopuram of the temple, which is getting renovated. It's been many months since they are renovating this tall gopuram, and it is huge. So I won't be able to film inside of the temple, but I can show you the glimpse of the outskirts of this famous temple of Meenakshi Amman. Check out the gopuram.
Hi.
Okay. So I guess they are painting the structure, and they were from Chennai, and they told me that there are in total 4 gopurams, and all 4 gopurams are of same height. This one is the east gopuram. No, actually it's the west. Alpa part there, west tower under. So this is how it is. You can just walk around this place. Way to darshan. ಕೆಲವು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I don't know what it is about because I can't read Tamil, but I think it is regarding to the darshan and all. Darshan maybe, or about the timings. Like I said, there are 4 gopurams on all 4 sides, and I guess this one is the southern gopuram. The previous one was the west. This must be the south. You can see the people who are being lined up for the darshan. Itte jana kamme illaru. Even this gopuram is under renovation work. I guess they are painting it. You can see the details on it. It is quite unique. So yeah, this is the south tower.